Today I will be showing you how to fix your screen resolution, duckies. Okay, first, you click your Windows sign, then Control Panel. Wow, that was slow. You see all these? They look confusing, don't they? They probably do. Then you come here and you actually read this. Appearance and personalization. Oh, that has... okay, that's something to do. Change desktop background. Customize colors, and adjust screen resolution. Oh my god, there's our answer. You click that, well, I don't know about you, but I get a scrolly bar. It will show you how to change your size and everything. Any man would want it, but anyways, you can change what you have here to different graphics. All this other stuff, 32-bit, advanced, apply to whatever size you want. Press OK, exit, feel proud of yourself, clap, clap, clap. You are done. Have a nice day.